Now back home on the last week, the Nifty and the Sensex reversed their gains post-lunch after hitting record highs. Now the Sensex slipped close to around 400 points from its record highs, ended close to around 0.5% lower, while the Nifty as well fell close to around 1%. And in terms of the broader markets, the mid-caps, they fell over around 1%, while the Nifty Bank did a quick reversal, and that in fact ended with a cut of close to around 500 points from the top of the day. Ekta joins us early this morning with all the market cues we need to watch out for. Hi, Ekta, good morning.
Hi, Nigel. Morning. Well, like you mentioned, it was predominantly the main feature for yesterday's trading session that we hit those record highs, but we really couldn't sustain at those higher levels. So the Nifty and the Sensex corrected from those fresh all-time highs. But what we saw yesterday was the rupee, which closed stronger. So there was a little bit of an appreciation which took place on the rupee, 68.42 versus 68.75 on a day-on-day basis. However, and the 10-year closed at around 7.27%. However, the FII's net sold yesterday around 1,040 crores in the cash market, whereas the DII's net sold around 81 odd crores. Remember that just in the past couple of trading sessions, this would probably be the second FII net sell figure that we've got. And just to put it into statistics, out of 29 sessions consecutively, the FIIs have net bought 27 times. And this is the second time that the FIIs have net sold. Now, whether or not this means that this is a turn in sentiment, we'll have to only be able to see over a period of time, and whether or not there would be any sort of follow-on selling or consolidation in today's trading session. So that would probably be one of the key things to watch out for. In terms of the RBI monetary policy, that is today. So the expectations are of a 25 basis points rate cut. That's what consensus is. But obviously the outlier chance of a 50 basis points rate cut exists, which the market hasn't probably fully factored in at this point in time. It is also Bank Nifty options expiry. In terms of the US markets, it closed higher. We have Asia, which is mildly higher. Brent, which is just about still hovering at around $69 per barrel. So there's no huge movement which has come in on Brent crude, and SGX is indicating that it could be a little bit of a mild positive start for us. Remember, year to date, the Nifty is given returns of 7%, the Nifty Bank is up close to 12%, and the mid-cap index is up around 2% also, so it's in the green. And compared to what we've done versus MSCI Asia ex Japan, we've risen around 9% as compared to MSCI Asia ex Japan, which is up around 13.8%. A lot of stocks which are at fresh 52-week highs, so the momentum seems to still be with the bulls, but just based on these indicators of the sell-off yesterday plus the FII net sell figure, I would just probably wait and see what today's trend would be like.
All right, thanks a lot for that, Ekta. But also tell us, what are the stocks that you will be watching out for in today's trade?
Well, I'll watch out for the rate sensitives ahead of the RBI monetary policy. CNBC-TV18 exclusive that the RBI is preparing a draft new circular on resolving NPAs. So maybe we could hear more details in the RBI press conference today. Jet says sources have told Jet Airways they've deferred the March salaries to all employees. And some slots of Jet, we understand from sources, are temporarily transferred to other airlines. Suven Life has received product patents in Israel, Japan, New Zealand, Sri Lanka. Coffee Day is going to invest 26 crores in Coffee Day consultancy. Fortis Care has revised the long-term rating higher to BBB- from C. Godrej Property is going to develop a residential project in Mumbai. Gru Finance, the merger with Bandhan has been approved. Reliance Industries has entered into a strategic transaction with Haptic, and Vedanta has released production data for the year ended for the fiscal FY19. So that stock should be in focus as well.
Okay, all right, take that. Thanks so much for that. Well, time to slip into a short break. Up next, we understand that the Reserve Bank of India is readying its new NPA framework. Exclusive details when we return.